this video, I am going to teach you about basic set operations. So I'm just going to discuss the three primary set operations here. The first one is the union of sets. The second one is intersection of sets. And the third one is difference of sets. Okay, so the first one, I am going to discuss the union of sets. So pag sinabing union, of course, from the word union, meaning pagsasamahin, okay, of sets. Meaning pagsasamahin natin yung mga elements niya without repeating the elements. So, combining the elements without repeating it. Okay, bawal kasing umulit yung mga elements sa isang set rather. Okay, union of sets, combining the elements without repeating it. So let's say for example, we will be getting the union of these two sets. So set C, and then the elements are 2, 4, 5, and 6. And set D, and the elements are 4, 6, 7, and then 8. And by the way, then in union of sets, the symbol denoting union of set is U. Okay, U. Pag nakita niyo yung symbol na yan, meaning you will be applying union of sets. Yun yung operation na gagamitin ninyo. Union. Okay? Union of sets. So let's say we will be getting the union of set C and set D. Ayan no, ginamit ko na siya. So pag nakita nyo, itong symbol na U, para siyang U, curve, okay, na nasa gitna ng dalawang set or higit pa, therefore, automatically, you need to combine the elements of set C and set D. So that is our solution. Ayan. We will be getting the union of set C and set D. So what will be our answer? Pagsasamahin lang natin yung elements niya without repeating the elements. So the answer will be, so C union D, the answer will be, of course, 2. Okay, 2. Sulat natin, 2. And then, 4 counted as 1. Bawal umulit yung elements. Okay? 4. And then, 5. And then, 6. 7. And then, 8. Okay? Yan na ngayon yung union ni set C and set D. Okay, so let's have another example. So let's say we have set A, and set A has the elements 1, 3, 7, and 5. And then set B has the elements 3, 7, 8, and 9. So, don't worry kasi, ang given dito sa set operations ay naka-listing or roster form para hindi na kayo mahirapan. Okay? So, let's say we will be getting the union of set A and set B. What will be the answer? So, 1. Of course, 1. List natin 1. And then 3, counted as 1 yung 3. Bawal umulit yung elements. And then, say 5. Kailangan naka-ascending yung order ng elements. Ibig sabihin, pataas. Okay? From least to greatest. Okay? So, 7 counted as 1. And then 8 and 9. 8, and 9. Therefore, that is the union of set A and set B. So let's have another example here. So let's say we have set X is equal to A, E, I, O, and U. And then set Y is a null set. Okay, that is a null set. So we will be combining their elements. So X union Y, the answer is all the elements of X. Bakit kaya? Kasi Y is a null set, ibig sabihin wala siyang elements. Therefore, just copy all the elements of X. And that is the union of set X and Y. So that is the union of sets. Pwede din siyang maging tatlo pala if you want. So let's say I have here set A, and then elements ni set A is 1, 2, 3. Say yan. And then set B, let's say I have here 4, 5, 6. And then set C, let's say I have 1, 6, and then 7. Ayan. And then I am going to compute for the union of A, B, and C. So, tatlong set ang pagsasama-samahin niyo yung elements. Pagsasama-samahin niyo lang na may elements. So, 1, counted as 1 lang yan. 1, 2, 3. Yun na, 1, 2, 3. And then, 4, 5, 6. Kailangan in ascending order. Okay, pataas. 6 is counted as 1, then 7. Therefore, this is the union of set A, B, and C. So that is the union of sets. How about the intersection of sets? So when we say intersection of sets, meaning we will be getting the same elements between the given sets. Okay, intersection of sets. So we will be getting, these are the same elements between, pwede kasi maging dalawa, tatlo yung given na sets, tapos kukunin mo yung intersection nila. So I cannot say na between two sets. Okay, same elements between the given sets. So, yun yung intersection of sets. Okay, let's solve some examples ng intersection of sets. Let's say we have here set C. Tutulad ng example natin kanina, no? Set C and the elements are 2, 4, 5, and 6. And then set D, and then the elements are 4, 6, 7, and then 8. So, observing this, kukunin natin kung ano yung same elements nila, and that will be the union, not union, intersection of set C and D. And when we say intersection, you should remember this sign, no? This is an inverted U. So meaning ng sign na yon is set intersection or intersection of set, kabaliktaran ng symbol ni union of set. Okay, you need to remember this symbol. Intersection of sets, yeah. So, getting the intersection of, bakit A and B? Sorry. C and D pala. C and D yung given natin. C and D. Okay? So, we will be getting the intersection of set C and D. And then, observing this, ano lang yung same na elements nila? 4 and then 6. So, therefore, the intersection of set C and set D is the set of 4 and 6. Okay, so yun lang yung answer. Let's say we have here another example. How about this? Let's say we have set W and the elements are 7 and 17. And then we have set N and then the elements are 11 and 3. Ayan. We will be getting the intersection of W and N. So what will be the answer? As you can see here, wala silang common elements, di ba? Wala silang same elements. Therefore, the answer here is a null set. Or yung set na walang elements sa loob. Braces lang siya kabuo. So this will be your answer. A null set. Okay? How about another example for the intersection of sets? Let's say we have set A, and the elements of set A are -2, 1, and then 0. And then we have set B. And the elements of set B are, let's say we have 1, 2, and 3. And then we have here another set C. The elements of set C are 1, -4. Say we have that. And we will be getting the intersection of set A, set B, and set C. So what will be the answer? Kaya, ano yung same na elements nilang tatlo? So, isa lang, di ba? 1. O therefore, the answer is 1. Okay? Yun lang yun. And then the last one is the difference of sets. So, sa difference of sets, depende kung sinong mauunang letter. So, medyo magulo to. No? Pero the definition is the difference of sets A and B is a set of elements which belong to set A but don't belong to set B and vice versa. So, mas madali siyang i-explain if we will solve some examples. So, let's say we have set C, same lang ng kanina. So, 2, 4, 5, and 6. And then we have here the set D, and then the elements are 4, 6, 7, and then 8. Say, yeah. And then, I am going to get the difference of C and D, or C minus D. Halatang-halata naman kasi, di ba, difference is symbol, difference automatically calls for a minus sign. So, kapag nakakita kayo ng minus sign, that is the symbol for difference of sets. Okay? So, ganito. Mahirap kasing i-explain yan. Ano? Depende kung sino yung mauunang set. Okay? Dito, C minus D, di ba? Ibig sabihin, ano yung mga elements ni C na wala kay D? Okay? Pero pag yan binaliktad ni ma'am, D minus C, ano naman yung mga elements ni D na wala kay C? Ganun lang yon. So, let's get both the answer. So, dito sa una, ano yung mga elements ni C na wala kay D? Ano lang ba yung same elements nila? Dito. Si D, merong 4 tsaka 6. Okay? Meron siyang 4 tsaka 6. Ang wala sa kanya ay 2 and 5. So, yun yung mga elements ni C. Siya yung nauna, na wala kay D. For 2 and 5. Sorry. 2 and 5. Ngayon, solving naman natin yung mga elements na meron kay D na wala naman kay C. Okay? So, ang elements ni D na meron si C, di ba, 4 and 6. So, wala na yan. Ngayon, ang mga elements ni D na wala si C ay 7 and 8. So, yun. Depende kung ano yung mauunang letters. Kasi, your answer will differ dito. So, we need to be very careful sa difference of sets. Kasi, depende kung sino yung mauunang number. Or letter pala. Sorry. Letter or set. Okay? Let's solve examples pa. Let's say we have set A and then the elements are 1, 3, 7, 5. And then set B, the elements are 3, 7, 8, 9. Yan. So, pareho nating kunin, ano? A minus B, and then B minus A. So, A minus B, ano yung elements ni A na wala kay B? Okay? So, let's find muna kung ano yung elements ni A na meron kay B. O, 3, tanggal na si 3 kasi meron siya. 7, tanggal na din kasi meron din si B ng 7. Ang mga elements na meron si A na wala si B ay 1 and 5. So, therefore, that is the answer on the first one. Okay? How about the second one? Ano yung mga elements ni B naman na wala kay A? Okay? So now, tanggalin muna natin yung mga elements ni B na meron na si A, which is 3 and 7. No? Yun yung matatanggal. So, ano yung elements ni B na natira na wala kay A? So, that is 8 and 9. So, therefore, that is your answer. So, difference of sets, depende kung sino yung mauunang set. Okay? Kasi, it's a matter of observing eh. Kasi kailangan mong intindihin, kailangan mong i-observe. Kasi nga, importante yung positioning dito.